Hello, I'm Joshua Brown from howtobecome.com, a leading interview training company that has helped millions of candidates worldwide prepare to pass their job interviews. And in this video, I'm going to help you succeed in your Frimley NHS Trust interview. Oh, and don't forget to let me know which job role you're applying for in the comment section below so I can personally give you extra interview tips and questions to help you prepare to pass. Frimley NHS Trust style interview question number 1 is tell me about yourself, your interview introduction. Here is a fantastic top scoring response to help you. Thank you for this opportunity. I've worked in care for the past few years, supporting patients in both hospital and community settings. I'm someone who really values kindness, patience, and clear communication, especially when people are feeling unwell or anxious. What drew me to Frimley Health NHS Trust is the strong reputation for patient-centred care and the commitment to teamwork and continuous improvement. I actually visited Frimley Park as a patient a couple of years ago, and the staff made me feel safe, listened to, and treated with real compassion. That stuck with me. Now I want to give that same level of care to others. I'm known for being calm under pressure, staying organised, and always putting patients first. I'm now ready to bring those strengths to a team that shares my values and wants to make a positive difference every day. That was a brilliant answer. This answer works well because it's personal, sincere, and clearly shows a real connection to Frimley Health. I'm not just listing skills, I'm giving a story that shows why this matters to me, which helps build trust. I also focus on values like compassion, teamwork, and staying calm under pressure, which are exactly what the panel wants to hear. Let's move on to question number 2. What are the values and vision of Frimley Health NHS Trust? Now, this question is being asked to check to see if you've researched the trust and whether your personal values match theirs. Therefore, in your answer, make sure you say the values clearly and explain how you already live them in your work or your attitude. So here is a fantastic top scoring answer to help you come up with your own brilliant response. What are the values and vision of Frimley Health NHS Trust? Here we go. The vision of Frimley Health is to be a leader in health and well-being, delivering exceptional services that improve lives. The Trust is focused on compassionate care, high standards and innovation. The core values are committed to excellence, working together and facing the future. I really connect with these. For example, I always aim to provide the highest standard of care, even when things get busy. That's about being committed to excellence. I also believe in strong teamwork and clear communication, because healthcare is never a solo effort. And when it comes to facing the future, I like learning and adapting, especially when it helps improve outcomes for patients. This is a great answer, and it stands out because I actually name the Trust's values and explain how I apply them in real-life situations. I'm not just repeating what's on the website, I'm connecting those values to my own behaviour and mindset. That shows alignment and self-awareness, which the NHS interviewers love. Now, don't go anywhere, as I still have more Frimley NHS Trust style interview questions and brilliant answers coming up for you. But when you're ready, and only if you want to, you can click that link in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below this video at any point during this training. That link will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can instantly download my Frimley NHS Trust interview success pack. Imagine having a similar scoring sheet to the one your interviewer may use to assess you. Well, with this pack, you'll get that Frimley NHS Trust style interview score sheet, plus 30 of the most commonly asked Frimley NHS Trust style interview questions, each with expert proven answers to help you prepare to pass. You'll also get a ready-made 30, 60, 90-day plan to impress the hiring manager. You simply need to print this off. It's already pre-filled out for you. You take it along to your interview and hand it to the hiring manager to impress them. And you'll also get the STAR technique answers tailored to Frimley NHS Trust job roles. Thousands of people have used these exact strategies to land jobs at Frimley NHS Trust and other top employers. And if it doesn't help you, There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. Click that link now or check the pinned comment below when you're ready. Let's keep going with even more questions and brilliant answers. Question number 3. Why did you apply for the role? Now, this question's being asked to understand your motivation and whether you've matched yourself to the right role. In your answer, make sure you connect the role to your strengths and values and show that it's a natural step, not just any job. Here is exactly how you can do that with this brilliant top scoring answer to help you. Why did you apply for the role? I applied because I genuinely want to help people, and this role gives me the chance to do that every day. Whether it's supporting patients directly or helping the wider team, I find it really rewarding knowing that I'm making a difference. This role stood out because it's hands-on, people-focused, and based in a trust that has a strong reputation for compassionate care and supporting staff development. I'm someone who works hard, communicates well, and thrives in a team. I knew straight away that this was a role where I could grow and give something back. That's a fantastic answer. I make it clear that I've thought about this role and how it fits me personally. I talk about the satisfaction I get from helping others and the kind of environment I work best in. That shows motivation, understanding of the job, and a real desire to contribute. All things the panel is listening for. Let's move on to question number 4. Why do you want to work for Frimley Health NHS Trust? Now, this question is being asked to see if you've done your research and genuinely want to be part of the organisation. You can see a bit of a pattern forming here. Again, in your answer, mention what makes the trust stand out to you and how that links to your own values and goals. Here is exactly how you can do that with this brilliant top scoring answer to help you come up with your own powerful response. Why do you want to work for Frimley NHS Trust? I want to work for Frimley Health because of its reputation for delivering safe, high-quality care and really valuing its staff. I've spoken to people who work here and they've all said the same thing. It's a supportive, well-run trust where teamwork and patient care come first. I'm especially drawn to the focus on continuous improvement and learning. I want to be part of an organisation that encourages people to develop, share ideas, and go the extra mile. That's how I work, and I think this is the kind of place where I could really thrive and contribute. That's a fantastic answer. It shows I've done my research and genuinely want to be part of the trust. I talk about what makes Frimley Health different, like the supportive culture and focus on learning, and then explain how that fits in the way I work. That's what makes it feel authentic and not generic. Now, what I've done to help you pass your Frimley Health NHS Trust interview is compile a list of the most common questions you must prepare strong answers to, such as, what will be your biggest challenge coming into this role at Frimley Health NHS Trust? How will you deal with a challenging interaction with a relative? How would you put a patient first in your work? What is safeguarding? And how would you implement it in your work at Frimley Health Trust? Describe how you've demonstrated NHS core values in the past. Tell us about a time you dealt with a difficult patient. Tell us how you've improved a service in the trust. How would you demonstrate confidentiality in your work at Frimley Health NHS Trust? What is the best thing about the NHS? What is clinical governance in the NHS? How would you help promote equality, diversity and inclusion in your team at Frimley NHS Trust? So those are just some of the key Frimley Health NHS Trust style interview questions you need to prepare for. But if you want the full list of all 30 Frimley NHS Trust style questions, along with expert answers to help you succeed first time, then click that link right now in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below. It will take you straight to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can instantly access every answer we've covered today, including 30 powerful responses to the most commonly asked Frimley NHS Trust style interview questions, the NHS interview score sheet, your 30, 60, 90-day plan, and the NHS Star Behavioural Answers Workbook, all in one downloadable package. It's a brilliant resource designed to give you the edge and boost your chances of success, and more importantly, make you stand out from the competition. So make sure you check out that link. If you found this tutorial helpful, Please subscribe to the channel. I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their interviews, and your support really helps me continue creating this content. Also, hit that like button if you found this video helped you. It's a small click that makes a big difference. If you have any questions about Frimley NHS Trust interviews or any job role, drop them in the comment section below. I reply to all comments with tips, advice and support. And finally, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. I love connecting with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best in your Frimley Health NHS Trust interview. You've got this.